Guys, you don't know how pumped up I am about this. Ever since they released this and I pre-ordered first day, I actually had a notice that said that I was gonna be back ordered, even though I pre-ordered it within the first hour. I got this through Adorama, and man, I just want to get right into this unboxing because it's time. It's been time. So if you guys don't know how excited I am about this, you can look up at this video that I just recently did of today, actually, where this is actually the second video I'm making today because I actually was supposed to get it today and I got it today. It's a small little funny vlog I did. Had fun doing it. So anyways, let's get right into this box and see what's inside, because this bad boy is finally here. All right, so first and foremost, we got some documentation, as you see. I'll put this right over here. Then we have the camera strap, as you see over here. I'll put that right there also. And let's get right into the main event here. Cool, they gave you the cable. This is a micro USB cable to charge it. I see the battery. Oh my God, it feels so good to have this battery because look at the difference in size. Look at the difference in size. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, it feels like I'm having what I had with the 5D Mark IV battery. Just big difference. And they put in a wall wart, which is cool. Everybody said you weren't gonna really get a charger, which you technically don't get a charger. You get the cable with the wall wart. So very nice. All right, oh man, on to the main event. By the way, I do have some accessories. I want to show you guys what I got with it. Not all of them is here, but for the most part, I have some accessories to go with this. So it's the camera. Oh man, I can't stop smiling. Oh, let's just see if there's anything else. I'll put this right over here and open up. Oh, oh man, this is so, oh, it feels so good. It feels so good to have you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let me take a look at this guy. E-mount full frame A7 III right here. I have a problem where I keep saying A7R3. I actually wanted the A7R3, but it really was out of my price range for the most part. And I was saving up. I was gonna sell my 5D Mark IV to do it, and it was on the market for a while and it seemed like no takers. And then all of a sudden they announced this guy, the A7 III, which is a combo of the A9 and the A7R3. So, oh man, Sony, you gotta do something about these names. Confusing the hell out of me. So, it's had all the features that I wanted that was in the A7R3, except for the 42 megapixels, you know, a few little things like the locking. I never had an issue with the locking knob right here. So, for me, it wasn't a big deal. So, yes. All right, so right off the bat, it feels a little bit better just because of that grip. That grip just feels good. I have a few things, like I said, in the works. Let me put this aside and we'll get to one of them. So this I picked up not too long ago. I was gonna make a whole separate video, but screw it, since I'm doing the unboxing, I'm gonna do this as well. So this is a little charging dock. Comes with a cable. So as you see, it's a charging dock and it comes with this cable right here. So this is for my other battery, so I can easily stick this just like this, boom, and I'll be good to go from there. So yeah, super pumped about that. So I got this right here, little charging dock. I'll leave everything linked in the description anyways. So these two things go right here. I'll put that aside. I'll put this aside. I'm gonna put all this stuff aside, sorry guys. this is big right here. This is very big. I went with the Pro Grade Digital. These guys, as you see, I got the 128. I don't even know if this is compatible with it. I can't imagine it's not. These guys are the ones who were with Kingston, I believe, which was Lexus. Wait, no, they were the people who made this were the like engineers and stuff like that were with Lexar, and I have Lexar cards. And so yeah, I bought this. It was way more affordable than the Sony brand one. Again, I'll leave this link. I'm excited to see if this works. I'm gonna turn it on, take a picture with it. So yeah, I went with the Pro Grade 128, 200 megabytes, UHS-II, class 10, 3, whatever they call it. Yeah, this is, I'm pumped up about that because most of my cards are around, I wanna say they're the 64 gig cards. And since this bad boy has dual slots, which, oh, the release. Sony, don't do it to me. Oh God. I love how they tell you which slot is for what. It literally tells you that the slot 1 is UHS-II, slot 2 is UHS-I. All right, that's very nice. So next, we'll get to this guy right here, and man, they gave me this big old box just for this guy. Okay, so I end up picking up another battery. Sorry, I'm just used to these tiny little batteries. I went ahead and picked up another battery. So I shouldn't necessarily, what everybody seems to be saying is that you don't really need the actual second battery, but because the battery life is so good, but I'm going with the second battery. So I picked up a second battery. I also picked up a screen protector, which is for like the A9, A7R3, and then the A7 III. It just hasn't got here. Should be here within the next day or two. And then I'll put it on. Again, everything I picked up will be linked below. And I am also going to be picking up today a Sony a7iii f1.8. I've been wanting that thing. I found a great deal on OfferUp and I was able to pick it up because I had some money left over from selling my 5D Mark IV. So I was able to pick that up. And I'm also selling another lens. It's gonna allow me to have, I wanna get the 24-105. It's between the 24-105 or 12-24 f4 lens. Toss me a comment which one you think I should get. I'm really kind of leaning towards the 24-105, but honestly, I really have my eye on the 12-24 as well. So, and they're around the same price, so I'm really excited. Hopefully I could pick one of those up when I get my 85 and that lens as well. I'll probably make a video for that too. I'm definitely gonna do my first camera review ever on this channel, so stay tuned for that. Guys, thanks for tuning in. If you want to see like a walkthrough and my opinions of this, let me know in the comments down below. Hit me with a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell because YouTube is acting up crazy right now. But hey, until next time, I'll see you around.